I'm back with another video. So I already primed my eyes and I'm using some tape, and I'm gonna put the tape, I'm gonna slant it and then put it over my eyelid, and basically that's how you create the floating liner. So you just line it up with the edge of your eye and just place it on there. It's kind of hard to describe, but yeah. So I'm going in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking Spice, and I'm using that as my transition shade. It definitely was a little hard to see because the tape is literally covering your eyes. But you literally just blend back and forth like you would normally do if there was no tape on your eyes. So I'm going in with So Warm, and I'm going to put that slightly below the orange shade that I used and just blend it in with it. And basically be as sloppy as you want to, because the tape is there, and whenever you take it off, it's going to be just a clean cut line. Then I'm going in with Rich, and I'm putting that in the same place that I put So Warm, and I'm just blending it in. And I apologize for the quality in this video. It's really bad. The lighting outside was terrible. Then I'm taking my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm taking that dark brown in there, and I'm just putting that in my crease just for more definition. Then I'm going back in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking Toast and Muddy with my more defined crease brush, and I'm just putting that in my eye socket just for more definition. And just to give it more of a cool tone look to it, because I'm going to use a gray on my lid. Just going back in with my medium blending brush and just making sure everything is seamless. Then I'm going back in with the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm taking that grayish brown shade, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And I had to keep reapplying it just to make sure the color showed up nicely. Then I'm going in with the Silver Glitter by Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to line that glitter like on the edge of the tape. So basically it's still hitting the edge of my eye, but it's basically like between, I don't know. It's like on my eyelid, and it's like, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just basically like putting the glitter liner on as if it was eyeliner. Then I'm just taking the tape off, and yeah, there goes that crispy line. Then I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses black eyeliner, and I'm just putting that in my waterline. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm just coating my real lashes before I put on false lashes. And the false lashes I'm going to be using are Ardell 251s, because when I show them, you're not going to be able to really see them. And then I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl primer, and I'm just putting that on the sides of my cheeks and on my nose. Then I'm taking my NK lip pencil in brown, and I'm just lining my lips. And then I'm going to go over that with Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick and Oh Boy. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope whoever watches this enjoys. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you on the next video.